Hello, today we will talk about the 7 best foods for your breakfast. Do you usually skip this meal to try to lose weight? Know that those who eat breakfast regularly tend to have healthier habits, less overweight and obesity, and a reduced risk of several chronic diseases. So start your day with energy and health, and stay with us until the end of the video. I will reveal the 7 foods you should include in your breakfast to make it healthier and more nutritious, which can improve your mood, concentration, and provide more energy for the whole day. Not all breakfasts are created equal, some are more beneficial than others. But before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our health tips, and click the bell to receive notifications. Sharing this knowledge with friends and family is also very important. When it comes to health, it's worth sharing information. And tell me, do you usually skip breakfast or eat something? What do you usually eat? Which part of America are you from? Write in the comments. You are the type of person who cares about health and wants a breakfast that gives you energy and keeps you satisfied until lunch, not one that leaves you hungry in 2 hours. We need to focus on 3 elements: proteins, fiber, and healthy fats. These components help keep you full for longer, unlike meals rich in refined carbohydrates, which cause glucose spikes and make the pancreas release a lot of insulin, leaving you hungry soon after. Why proteins? They reduce appetite and are the most satiating among the 3 macronutrients. Protein helps you feel full with less food because it reduces a hormone called ghrelin, which causes hunger, and increases levels of peptide YY, which promotes satiety. Additionally, proteins improve muscle mass and strength, forming the basis of our muscles. They also strengthen bones, reducing the risk of osteopenia and osteoporosis, and increase metabolism, raising the number of calories you burn due to the thermic effect of proteins, which varies between 20 to 35%. Higher than carbohydrates and fats, which max out at 15%. The next key is fat, but not just any type of fat. Trans fats are terrible, and saturated fats should be limited because they increase bad cholesterol. We focus on healthy fats, which maintain optimal sugar levels, improve the skin, help reduce liver fat, improve brain function, and reduce inflammation. In monounsaturated fats, found in olive oil, avocado, nuts, and peanuts, and in polyunsaturated fats, which come from omega-3 rich fish like sardines and salmon, flax seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts. And fiber? We have 2 types, and both are important for satiety. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and binds to fatty acids in food, forming a gel-like substance found in apples, pears, beans, chia seeds, and oats. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water but adds bulk to your food and pulls water into the intestine, like a sponge. It's found in sweet potatoes, pectin and cellulose, wheat bran, nuts, and cauliflower. Now that we understand the importance of these nutrients, let's get to the 7 best foods for your breakfast. I recommend varying throughout the week to avoid monotony and get the benefits of different micro and macronutrients from each food. Additionally, these options should be easy to prepare, tasty, and accessible. 7. Eggs. Have you heard that eggs are bad for you? Don't worry, it's all about balance. Can you eat eggs every day? Absolutely. There's a reason eggs have been a staple of the American breakfast for so long. They're packed with vitamins A, D, and B12, which are great for protecting your nerves. Additionally, they're an economical and nutrient-dense option. 2 large eggs provide more than 50% of your daily choline needs and 16 grams of protein. Choline is excellent for the brain and nervous system, helping with memory, mood, and muscles. And if you opt for free-range eggs, even better. Eggs are versatile and can be prepared in various ways: fried, boiled, scrambled, in omelets, and more. 6. Oatmeal. During my college years, I ate oatmeal for breakfast every day. Oatmeal is one of the most beneficial foods we can consume. As a whole grain, it is rich in fiber, plant-based proteins, iron, calcium, and magnesium. It also contains beta-glucan, which helps improve cholesterol levels and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. You can add fruits like bananas, strawberries, raisins, and mix it with milk, almond milk, or water. 5. Greek yogurt. Unsweetened Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, calcium, and probiotics. While some people may be lactose intolerant or allergic, if that's not your case, cow's milk is one of the most complete foods available. Marand? Greek yogurt is an essential part of the Mediterranean diet, containing probiotics that are beneficial for gut health. When mixed with fruits, you complement the fiber, balancing the trio of proteins, fats, and fiber. 4. Smoothies or shakes. Mixing fruits with milk is a great way to start the day. I like to mix banana, apple, and a piece of papaya with a spoonful of peanut butter, a pinch of cinnamon, and milk or yogurt. You can also add whey protein. This combination is healthy and packed with vitamins and antioxidants. 3. Green juice. Green juice is a powerful combination of leafy greens, kale, mint, celery, fruits, pineapple, lemon, apple, and vegetables, carrot, beet, cucumber, sweet potato. This mix brings many nutrients, fiber, and low calories to your body. There isn't a single recipe, so you can vary the ingredients according to your taste. 2. Fruits. Fruits are an excellent option to start your day healthily. Bananas are rich in potassium and vitamin B6, aiding in the production of serotonin. Avocados are great for their healthy fats and fiber. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries are rich in antioxidants. Other fruits like apples, melons, citrus fruits, and papayas are also great alternatives. 1. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread can be a healthy choice. If you're not celiac or gluten sensitive, you can include it in your diet. Homemade whole grain bread with bran and fiber helps slow the conversion of flour to glucose, keeping blood sugar levels stable. Additionally, the fiber helps reduce cholesterol and provides important minerals like magnesium, selenium, and copper. Studies show that consuming whole grains is associated with better health outcomes. And coffee? You might be wondering, what about coffee? Is coffee good for you? Yes, coffee can be good for you. A daily cup of black coffee can boost your energy and help reduce fatty liver disease. Recent research indicates that drinking 2-3 cups per day can be cardioprotective, reducing the risk of heart disease and prolonging life. Just avoid adding sugar and be careful not to consume it after 2 p.m. See how easy it is to prepare a healthy breakfast that doesn't take much time. Avoid a breakfast high in refined carbohydrates, especially those without fiber or protein, as they can leave you hungry sooner. Healthy eating plays a crucial role in preventing diseases, especially cardiovascular ones. So, don't skip breakfast. Eat right to start your day well. Did you enjoy the video? Is there any other food you consider healthy and eat for breakfast? Leave your comment. Like and share this video with your friends and family so more people can start the day healthily. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell to receive all our updates. See you next time.